Henshaws is a charity close to Belzona's heart, a local cause supporting people living with sight loss as well as a range of other disabilities. We invited staff from a variety of Belzona departments to take part in our team building day in an effort to raise awareness and support for Henshaws activities. Hi guys, thanks for coming. We're going to get a bit creative today with some Belzona applications. This is all in the name of charity. So currently they're using 1321, which is one of our Belzona abrasion resistant systems. It contains ferromagnetic fillers and also some ceramic fillers just to help with that sliding abrasion. So you can see from Charlotte here, she's just bonded these aluminium oxide tiles. So the next stage after bonding these tiles down would be to use 1813. Which is another one of our abrasion resistant systems. And all we're going to be doing here is to grout these tiles with that system. So this is Belzona 2311 SR Elastomer. The SR stands for super rapid. Under these environmental conditions, these guys have about 4 minutes to work with the material, so let's see how fast they can do it. Since Belzona 2311 SR Elastomer is a fast and rapid curing material, it can be used for a variety of different rubber components, for example a conveyor belt repair. SR Elastomer stands for super rapid. However, judging by Charlie's face, it also stands for super serious. For over 180 years, Henshaws has been supporting individuals, families and their carers living with sight loss, as well as many other disabilities. Belzona has chosen to support Henshaws' Christmas raffle campaign by purchasing tickets for all of its staff. This goes towards all of their fundraising efforts, making sure they're able to keep on helping people live the life they choose. Henshaws is all about bringing people together, exactly like what we're doing here today.